Hello everyone. So today I am going to give you a small introduction on the theme population dynamics. So in this theme we will understand the causes of population growth in different parts of the world. We will also face some new terms, that is birth rate, population density, death rate, migration and many more. So let us begin. So firstly we have to know what does the word population mean actually. So the word population means total number of people living in a particular area. So population means the total number of people living in a particular area. Now we have to know what does dynamics mean. So dynamics mean growth, change or development. So according to this chapter, here dynamics refer to the growth or change or development of population. So now the whole word population dynamics, what the definition comes out? Population dynamics. So now we will know the definition of population dynamics. So the definition of population dynamics refers to changes in a population over time. Means it is calculated in a particular time period. So population dynamics include four variables. The first one is density, the second one is dispersion, and the third one is age distribution, and the last one is, but not the least, that is size. So population dynamics includes some things. So there are four variables which are already told. So now there are some factors which influences population size. So the first factor is birth rate. So it is calculated that number of births taken in a particular region or in a particular place or area. So gradually if birth rate increases, so population will also increase. Similarly, if birth rate decreases, population will also decrease. So the first point is birth rate. Birth rate, population depends on birth rate. The second one is death rate. So population also depends on death rate, because if number of death rate increases, then population will decrease. If number of death rate decreases, then population will increase. So it is also calculated number of deaths in a particular region or a place. So the third point is migration. So population also depends upon migration, because if people move from one area to another or from one country to another, the population will decrease on that particular area. But population will not decrease in the world, but it will decrease on that particular area or region. So it also depends, migration also depends upon the decrease of population or the increase of population in a particular area. Lastly, the study of human population is known as demography. Demography involves the statistical study of human populations, and demographers seek to understand population dynamics by investigating three main demographic processes, mainly birth, migration, and death rate, which I have already discussed earlier. All these three things or processes contribute to changes in population, including how people inhabit the earth, from nations and societies, and develop culture. So this was all about introduction of population dynamics. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for getting more updates of this channel. Thank you. We will meet in our next video.